Hello and welcome back to another sweet upload. Today we're going to be making candied citrus peel, an invaluable component in the pastry kitchen. It's also a component very low in food cost because of the use of the citrus fruit's usable trim. Be sure to download the printable PDF recipe from the link in the description. We'll start the procedure by preparing simple syrup. Simple syrup is considered a supersaturated solution of equal parts sugar and water. This particular batch will require a small addition of corn syrup to deter crystallization of the product after storage. Simple syrup is the easiest thing in the pastry kitchen to make. Simply add sugar and water in a pot, bring to a full rolling boil, then remove from the heat. Simple, right? Hence the name simple syrup. Our next step will be to slice the oranges in half to prepare for juicing. Using whatever means you have available, thoroughly juice the oranges and reserve the juice for another use. Next, we'll remove the leftover flesh and pith from the citrus peel. Removing as much as the pith or white interior wall of the peel will help prevent bitterness in the final product. Take your time and clean each quarter of citrus peel thoroughly. After completion, add cold water to the pot to fully cover the citrus peel. Under medium-high heat, bring the water to a full rolling boil. Strain the mixture, reserving the orange peel. We will repeat this process of covering with cold water and bringing it to boil 2 more times. By repeating these steps a total of 3 times, this helps soften the peel and, more importantly, will assist in removing bitterness. The next step is to add the reserved simple syrup to the citrus peel. Turn up the heat and bring the syrup to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low and cook very slowly for about 1.5 to 2 hours until the mixture reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 118 degrees Celsius. If the mixture reaches 240 degrees too quickly, the peels will not thoroughly cook and remain too stiff. More water may be added if the temperature rises too quickly. Low and slow is the key here. After 1.5 to 2 hours and the mixture reaching 240 degrees Fahrenheit, remove from the heat and cover for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow any sugar crystals that may have developed on the side of the pot to melt back into the liquid. After this time, uncover and let cool to room temperature. The candied citrus peel is now ready for use or storage. This product has infinite uses as a flavoring component. Be sure to check out the use of candied citrus in the orange almond biscotti video linked here. And there you have it, the key points to candied citrus peel. If you found the video useful, be sure to leave a like and a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more baking and pastry tutorials. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again soon for another sweet upload.